It's Rusty Russ, back with that market update. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all. This is, fuck oil. Why do I keep having that up there? This has been a real wild one, guys. A real wild one. Market did not crash. It went down a little bit last night. And that's pretty much it, you know. I mean, we saw this move, like I said, to about these levels, and you know, here we go, right back up. Can it break here and here? Like, I really think it's going to. I think that's definitely what we're going to see. We're going to see this and this, and it's just going to keep going up, guys. Why is it going to keep going up, though? That's what I wanted to talk to you about. Well, Industrial Ave is just breaking everyone's neck, frankly. Apple, I think it's going to go up for several reasons. One, you know, there's just no drama, guys. There's not any drama. You know, it's kind of business as usual on Wall Street, and the money printers are printing at full blast, and you know, the 10-year is chilling out. You know, and big tech is still recovering from its lows, and it's, you know, there's still meat on the bone. Especially if you look at Apple. And Apple and Amazon, in my opinion, have meat on the bone. If you look here, it hasn't even reached its high of 145. I think we're going to test 145. I think we'll be at 140 before next Friday. Like, frankly, like, just based on the bullishness, I think it's just going to, like, it could even gap up, you know, to 138 probably, or even 139, like, who knows. But I think it's because there's still meat on the bone, guys. You know, there's still meat on the bone, and there's really no reason to be bearish. There was a big rally, so you should be bearish. I don't really think that's a reason to be bearish. I think a reason to be bearish would simply be even like inflation fears. When inflation happens, and the 10-year is under control, you know, we see risk assets move higher, and we've seen that consistently. So you know, we got big tech earnings coming up at the end of the month with banks next week. So make sure to pay attention to those bank earnings. Everyone's flush with cash. I think we're just going to see continued bullishness, guys, and I think we're going to see it in Apple, certainly. We're going to see it in Amazon. AB, I don't know why I have this up here. Adobe is bullish. Like, I think it could push above. AMD, maybe though, probably not. Amazon, like, I think we can see an all-time high in Amazon before all this bullishness is over. Blink. So Blink did go down, though. Remember, I was saying, can it break below? You know, when it was up here, you know, I said we'd have to put our strikes 45, 46, and, you know, could it come down to 42? I mean, almost. But even still, look what it did. It went right back up. We have, I mean, if this goes higher, then we're going to see this bullish divergence on the MACD. These are MACD crosses, by the way. These arrows are MACD crosses. I just put them on the price. Facebook, epically bullish. You know, I mean, it could go higher, maybe. I don't really care about Facebook. Google is absolutely vertical. Microsoft is completely vertical. PayPal has got room to run, pal. All the way to 309. Let's go. Snap. Square, guys. I was bearish Square when we last talked, and it checked that support. You know, it did come. It did after this massive move. I said it needed to check this line here, guys, and we saw exactly that. You know, we saw, you know, right here, you know, this support right here, and that it would come down before going back up. MACD cross, no bullish divergence there. And you know, just everything just keeps. Everything just keeps climbing. You know, so I think here's the plan. So we're gonna look at Apple. Okay, once Apple starts to get all-time high that's when we can let off the gas. I think Apple's going to make an all-time high. I see Apple up here next week, like in this range next week, and trying to break this 145.09. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking Apple's going to be here. And if Apple's here, it's a big weight, it's going to bring big tech higher. I think we're going to see another week just like we did last week. That's what I think. I think this run has got a lot of gas left. Maybe. We'll see. As always, set those closing orders, guys. Take profits when you got them, and let's stay in the green. Stay in the green. There's no need to risk all of our capital on one trade. Also, make sure to smash that like button. Comment. Is this track super dope, guys? I think it is. I think this is probably one of the dopest tracks we've ever had on this channel, frankly. So go ahead and comment about the track. Comment about, what you guys want to know about. You want to learn some fundamental analysis? Want to do GameStop? Is that what you guys want? Should I give the people what they want? You just want to do GameStop, guys. This is something you want to invest in, you say. That freaking range is just too big, guys. Let's say you got in here because you thought it was a good deal. You are now down 5%. Is it going to go back up? Who freaking knows? Even if you were oh, this is so cool. It bounced off this moving average. Let me just hold it long term. How big is your stomach? I think you would have definitely lost half your account, which a lot of people do. So stop trading bullshit, guys, and just hop on board. Click the link below to join the Discord, where I enter, where I exit. We're consistently profitable, guys, and we don't play any bullshit. So go ahead and click that link to join. Alright, that'll be it for me.